Hi, I am Nitishri and I am from College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar, and I will be explaining my intensive project under Smart Bridge. So, my project was Life Expectancy Prediction using machine learning. So, let's have a look on my UI. Here you can see that I have given some input like country, year, that HIV, GDP, population, and then click on predict button. This will predict average lifespan of the people of that particular country. And here the country is Afghanistan. So here is my UI. So to do this, you need to have an IBM account. So let's go to my workspace. I have already signed up, so let's log into the IBM Cloud. So what is IBM Cloud? IBM Cloud is IBM's platform as a service which hosts 100 plus services like storage, analytics, Watson, machine learning, Internet of Things, etc. So we will consume some of the services in this project. Here you can see my dashboard. First, go to Catalog. And search for Watson Studio. Here you can click that. This is a simple step. So just you can set any name for your service and click on this create button. After that, go to resource list. And you can see that under your service tab, there is a Watson Studio instance. Let's click on that. Get started. And this will open the home page for Watson Studio. You can create a new project here. Either you can create an empty project or you can create from a sample or a file. I have already created a new project. So let's explore that. So first we need to add three things. First is dataset. Because this is the machine learning model we need to build. So first let's go to Kaggle and download the dataset. Search here for life expectancy and you will find this. And just download this. Then after downloading the dataset to your local computer, you can add the dataset here. Either you can drag and drop or you can browse. Then go to your settings tab. As it is a machine learning project, so you need to have a service of IBM Cloud, that is machine learning service. And what is Watson machine learning service is that it's a service of IBM Cloud with features for training and deploying machine learning models and neural networks. So let's add that service first. And add here. After that, you need to generate a token for that. So you can simply create new token and you can give any name to your token and select either viewer or editor for your token and click on create. After creating Watson machine learning service instance and creating a token, you need to create a notebook. So click on add to project and click on notebook. I have already a notebook, so let's go to that. I need to open this on edit mode. So here it is already open, so let's go to that. So first I have imported all the required libraries. Then I have read the data set. So I have handled the missing values using interpolate function, and then I have removed the outliers. So after the pre-processing of data, I have checked that which algorithm is the most suitable algorithm for this dataset. So you can see that decision tree gives 91% accuracy, linear regression gives 81% accuracy, and random forest regression gives 95% accuracy. So I have used random forest for my final deployment. So to deploy your model to the Regression Machine Learning service, you just need to follow these 6 steps. So first you need to add WML credentials to your notebook. How to find this? Just go to your resource list, and under your resource list you can see your Regression Machine Learning service instance. Click on that and you can find service credentials here. Click on this and you just copy this and paste it. So after that, here is my model name to deploy, and after running these 6 cells, you will get a scoring endpoint for your model, and that will be needed when you integrate the noded application to this model. So let's go to create our noded application. For this, you just need to go to service details resource list page, then under catalog, search for node-RED. Click on software and click on this. The node-RED creation is a simple process. So just click on get started. You can set any region, and after that click on create button. After creating a node-RED service instance, go to your resource list page, and under the Cloud Foundry apps, click here and you will get an URL. Click on this, and this will open a node-RED homepage. Then go to node-RED flow editor. Here it is already open. So this is my node-RED flow editor. Here you can see that this is my form. Here I have added 21 columns that is used to predict the target variable. So you can add here. Then this is my pre-token. This is a function node, and here you can set your variables as global. Then as you can see here, this is an API key, and this API key can be found on your WML credentials. So just copy it and paste it. Then you need to create an HTTP request, and this is your URL. Then send it through a post method, and make sure that you are returning everything as a parsed JSON object. Then this is also another function node, and here you have to set an instance ID, and this instance ID also can be found on your WML credentials. Then you can get your variables that I said earlier. Then this HTTP request is for your machine learning model. Means here we are integrating the machine learning model we had created earlier into our noded application. So just copy that scoring endpoint URL and paste it here. Okay. Then this is my another function node, and here we are actually getting our predicted values. After that, this is our 2 debug nodes, and this is our final prediction. Then after everything else is done, just deploy it. Then go to your dashboard. So this is my dashboard. This is my final UI. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries regarding this project, then you can mail me at this. So thank you.